Hi friends, today we're going to practice measuring, and when we measure, we practice putting things in order from shortest to longest, or sometimes we say tallest. So when we measure, it's important to make sure that the bottoms line up. So you'll see my example here that the fish bottoms are lined up. On this side here, you see that the fish are not lined up. So it's not right. Let's take a look at what you're going to be doing today. Here are our fish, and we're going to put them in order. We're going to put them in order from shortest to longest. Now, I know this fish is very big. He is longer than the other fish. This fish looks pretty short. He looks like the shortest. I'm going to move my fish and measure them by their bottoms matching or their sides matching. So I'm going to put my shortest at the bottom here, and I'm going to see which one is the next shortest. I know that I'm right now measuring these sides up together. If I go to measure it here, that would not be right because I did not put them exactly where they both started. I know that this is not the next shortest, so I will try again. I'm going to move another fish. It looks like there might be a smaller one, so I'm going to move these fish around. This looks like it's the next shortest fish. I'm going to keep matching them up, matching their sides up to see what comes next. So I'm matching them up on the side here. They're just about the same. Uh-oh, that is not the longest at the top. I better switch that because this fish goes further. I know that this fish is the longest fish. So I'm going to move these pieces and see how this isn't lined up. I'm going to move it back just a little. That's better. Now I know. So I want to see today, friends, if you can move the fish pieces from shortest to longest. Let's see how great you do.